Okay, so this is gonna be a video. I'm gonna speed run and see how many words I can scrape from YouTube comments um, for voice of customer research. There's a bug flying around. I'm gonna get him. I don't know if I got him. I'm wearing a cowboy hat because my hair's a little messed up. Is the first thing I saw. And what else? The reason I'm doing this is because AI can be an amazing tool for copywriting. You can pump out ads fast, but the ads will suck if they aren't based off of the right data, or if your bots aren't trained on the right data. Um, the outputs can be pretty bad, and it gets very annoying because you can go back and forth with a bot for hours and nothing changes about the ad. Like, the only thing that'll change how good an ad is through AI is like the inputs. So this is my process of like scraping the comments from YouTube videos as indirect voice of customer as quickly as possible. I have another tool for Reddit threads. I'll probably do that in another video, but for this, I'm going to speed run as many words as I can, hopefully over 100,000, and then I'll compile it all into like an easy to reference document for the AI. So it doesn't have to go over 100,000 words every prompt. So if there's anything else I need to say, this is like take four because every time I do this, something happens and ends up taking way too long. But I'm gonna speed run this and see how fast I can do this. And I'm gonna try not to edit anything unless there's something crazy that pops up. Um, then I will edit. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this for a neck pain product, and you'll watch the whole thing. So let's go. Neck pain. I need another document for this though. The last video I did was for foot pain, but I'm done with that product for now. I'm on to the next. This one's for neck pain, but if it'll load, then I'll be able to delete everything in it. Like, it took me about 30 minutes to scrape all these words or all these comments from these are all different videos. All right. I'm just going to delete deleting the document, make a new one. It's a waste of time. I'm a little more bitter right now because I was doing this super fast, but when I'm recording it, like, it takes more energy. Okay, we're gonna find the videos with the most views. Nice. The millions of views are the best. Shorts you can't work with, at least for this process, which I wish you could. There's probably a way. Dr. Joe. Oh, we're gonna get a lot. Making sure I pause all these. Oh my god. Dr. Joe. Jeffrey Pang. All right. How many comments do we got? Yes. Nice. This is good. Oh, we're off to a good start. Nice. You see a video's got 1,000 comments, that's a really good sign. Okay, so how do we do this? I have my API over here. We're gonna, let's first get the titles. Positive Motion Chiropractic. I'm not gonna say by anyone anymore. That takes way too long. Just gonna do the titles so I can search for them later if I want to. I don't think I'll need to. I hope I didn't get like copyrighted for showing the other channels. This is just for research process or purposes. The comments are public domain or public data or 5 videos. All right, let's get started. See how fast we can do this. No time wasted. I wrote this program, by the way, with AI. I didn't code it like myself. All right, let's go. Oh, relevance. How many comments do we get? No, not 324. All right, we're gonna have to restart. I think chronological gives you more comments. Dang. Is that how many comments we have? Oh, 330. I thought this was one of the 1,000 ones. We got 333 comments. That scared me I was thinking like, oh, did it break? Nah, it's just a 300 comment video. All right. Let's see, how many words did we get just from that? 11K. Not bad. This one should be good. All right, run. API. Oh, where am I going? $1,800 comments. And you're going to realize like there's a lot of words we need to get rid of. Like thanks. Because people in the comments like to say thanks. I just want this to be over. I have so many more voice of customer analyses to do. How many words are we at now? Well, first we were at 11K. Here we go. It's going to start going slow. $37,000. Did I already do this one? No. And by the way, if you try and steal my API key or something, it's not going to work because I'm changing it right after this video is recorded. Whether I sort it through chronological or time, 685 comments. Is that it? Oh, it's not bad. Dude, links are going to be an issue. They always are. They're so annoying. You got to clear all this crap from the output. Oh, this is a long one, isn't it? 1,000 comments. How many did we get? A 1,072. Was that all of them? We got all of them. That's rare for the numbers to actually match up. Don't crash. $1,100. When you do the chronological versus time is just like ordered. It ranks the comments based on most recent or whatever. But if you do chronological, it'll give you the more. Wait, chronological. Is that right? Oh, relevance. Chronological is time. Basically, what I'm saying is you get less comments, but more relevant comments for relevant. You get more comments for chronological time because it can scrape all the comments from beginning to the end. If it's chronological, it can't, I guess. I don't know. Can't remember why. I'm waiting for the screen too. Don't worry. I didn't freeze. Oh, it's happening. This is so annoying. Just load. What if I just X that out? This is stupid. I mean, I do have a lot of words in here. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, I'm going to have to delete a lot of these. Thanks for your comment. Thanks for your comment. Thanks for your comment. Okay. How many words do we have? Let's see if we're good. We can do 76,000. Okay. I'm going to delete a bunch of words. Where is it? Okay, first I'm going to replace these weird symbols with their actual. This right here is for some reason how apostrophes show up when you extract them. Oh, no. I can't do anything. It's too slow. Oh, maybe I should do this in Word. Cody has an idea. This might be faster than Google Docs. Blank document. We could still download Word docs as PDFs. Come on. It did not copy the headlines, but it's still how many pages? 260 pages. Do we have all the words? Dang, how do you do the review? Where's word count? Word count. Oh, is that all the words that we? Oh, wait, did we delete some? No. Ah, what's the word count over here? 73,000. Word count here is 71,000. The characters are the same. Oh well, we're gonna use this. I'm gonna try and do the find and replace here. So find your how do I replace 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 all. Yes. All right. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Thanks. Nice. HTTPS. What else? Oh, BR. Gotta remove BR. All right, what are some other words? Like, I want to get all these right. I said thanks, thank. It's thank. Okay, I think this is enough. Save as. Times it 20 minutes. Something bad happens around 20 minutes every time. I got to cut that out. iBox. Neck pain YouTube. No, I'm not printing. Oh no. It didn't print, did it? I'm gonna have to be right back. Check the printer and it is not printing. It is in my files. Now that we have the customer data, or the voice of customer, you're going to upload it to Voyant, and see through our text. Nice. Okay, this is good. This is way better than last time. Let me tell you, when I did the foot pain, I did all this. I recorded for 45 minutes. Like, I had to do the work anyways, but I recorded it, and I get here, and the top words are like a, the, what, and, not, for, whatever. Like, it's the stop words. And it did it right this time. But I got to go remove watching video. That's it. All right, let's do that now. Watching, like me finding the dot or the words before was getting rid of it. Okay, we're gonna go replace all of these. Replace all. Video. Replace all. Okay. Now we are going to, it's bright, re-download. I'm just gonna save as, browse, downloads, save it as a PDF. Neck pain YouTube. And we are going to no. Helped. Oh, glad. Where's glad? So glad. Wait. Yeah, we got glad. Helped. I think in the context of glad and helped is the lady replying to her comments. I'm glad you found it helpful. Glad it helped you. Glad you found it. Glad. All right, we're not doing this. Replace all. Yes. Okay, helped. It's all the video lingo. It's all the video lingo. Like, Oh, the video. The video is awesome. It's not what we care about. Ooh, just save. Okay. Let's redo this. I don't know if this is the right one. Okay, we can work with this. So the Voyant tools is okay. Now, I'm not going to do it right now, but I'll tell you exactly what I do on Voyant. So basically, you get all these different tools like that show you the patterns in the language. It's awesome. And what I do is first I get the summary. You can change the settings. I usually do like 30 terms. Okay, I'm just gonna go window by window. It might cut out. Yep, it likes to shut down, but it'll reload and then you got to get to the other thing before it can shut down. So 30 terms, and it'll give you like a summary. And I just have this template here. Neck pain exercises, really relief, stretches just help, like great feel, doctor good, better, lot I'm time doing, doctor here. Okay, yeah, so you get it. It'll go over um, the summary of this document. You can put multiple documents in here too. The next thing I'll have is the Cirrus, which is that word cloud thing that you saw. It's going to cut down or it's going to shut out. Yep. Reload. And when you upload this stuff to a document and give it to your AI bots, it's so much better. Like it knows what your customer is talking about. 100 words. We got to get rid of that. But yeah, of course, they care about neck pain and exercises. 200 words. You see more. 500 words. That's so cool, actually. But then the next, I'll just copy and paste that in here for our understanding. Then we have the word tree. Crash, crash, crash. That's what I thought. See, it listens to me. All right, word tree, don't crash. See, it listens to me. Here, you can. This is the cool one. 65 terms. See, I don't like when it's that many. 40. Okay. My neck pain within pain. Like, this is cool because it. I need to figure out how it actually does this. But you can see different word patterns like movement in my neck pain lasted or starts in my neck, dumbbell in my neck, arthritis in my neck pain. I mean, sometimes I play around with this. Like, what if you have this many? Dang, my. So much for the explanations. You are an angel. Had. Like, you can go over this stuff. Wow. That's a lot. The word trees are so valuable. You can just look through all this stuff and it's fun. It's perfect for headlines. Now. Heart. Man, this is a lot, dude. So much. Oh, thank you so much because I removed that. From nowhere. Okay. I wish I could get these, like the word tree. How do you do this? Branches 6. Oh, wait. Context 15. Just mess around with this. This is fun. Word tree. Then we got topics. Topics is fun. This is what most copywriters usually do, um, because you have to find out what are the topics that your customer talks about most. Oh, get out of the way. No! It does it sometimes. Stupid camera. All right. Topics. There we go. Now, this is fun because these are the topics, but I'm going to redo it. Where is it? Settings are up here. Terms per document. How big is this document? I think it said 60. So we're going to do 67,000 words. And it might break it, but I don't care because it gives you better data. Right now I'm going, man, bless, stretching, help, neck move. Well, basically, it like shows you how much in each document, but when you click on when you have multiple documents in here, it'll show you like multiple ones, and you'll click on each, and like it'll show the summary of all of them, and then you'll have each individual document, and it says neck help, pain, doctor feels side hurts, getting amazing. I mean, sometimes they don't make sense, but when you like refresh it, it comes up with new ones, but they're all generally the same, and the AI can like parse this stuff. You can copy it as text and put it in this document up here. And then phrases. This one can get on my nerves sometimes. Come on, no. But the AI can parse this data. So phrases, no overlap, keep all, and then count. And so what I'll do is you can export this data. I usually export it as a text, and you get all of this. And sometimes it'll give you the entire thing, like oh, these are disclaimers. Like these will Jeez. This must be an autoresponder. This stuff is annoying. I hate this so much. It gets on my nerves. But that's what happens. When you're doing research with data like this, you gotta make sure it's all good. But yeah, I'll see how much of this I can get. Look how long this list is. But watch the count as I go up. 5. It's like exponential. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Whoa! And it goes up to 640. Oh, thank you so much. So much. I forgot that. But yeah, see how you can export this. Export current data, separated tabs. We'll give you all of it. It'll give you a decent amount. And I'll copy it. Because it's CSV, I will paste it into a Google spreadsheet, Google Sheets, and then I will copy the table from Google Sheets and then put it in the document and then upload. Like, here's the strategy. You want to do this you got indirect voice of customer, your customer that doesn't know they don't know that they're being interviewed or whatever. Like, it's basically them ranting online, which is good for YouTube comments. But then direct voice of customer, you get Amazon reviews. Another indirect voice of customers, Reddit threads or Facebook groups. Another direct voice of customers, if you do like internal surveys with your customers. Both are important, but you should analyze both. And when you're doing the Voyant tools, you should analyze direct voice of customer and then indirect voice of customer separately, but then do a final analysis with indirect and direct voice of customer. And upload that to your AI bots, and I'll guarantee your output's going to be way better. Like, this is the most important step of any campaign, is researching the voice of your customer. Because if you can't talk like your customer, they're not going to listen. They're not going to feel understood. You don't know what they care about. All kinds of things. And it's the easiest step to skip and do wrong because, well, honestly, if you do it wrong, you've also skipped it. And with AI, it's like, oh, I mean, I have this document with a bunch of customer language. It's 5,000 words. I just upload it to the bot and then it does it. Well, it's not like parsing the data and reading it like Voyant can do. Voyant is like a little helper for AI. You know, it parses the information and all the words, which isn't easy to do. Like, doing it manually sucks and it takes forever. But hopefully this should speed up your time. If you learn how to do it, I will pull up a document real quick and I might make this a lead magnet on my site. Fully transparent. What is the word? It's a document. Scrape YouTube comments with document. So on this video, like, I'm going to share this with you right now. You can copy the text on here or whatever and do this yourself. But basically, you scrape all the public YouTube comments, gather indirect voice to customer, upload to Voyant. Tools used, preface. It does require coding, but you aren't writing the code. Here's what happens. You get the API, enable it, follow these directions, go to Google Colab, and actually, yeah, in this I say paste this code, but I'll show you real quick. Make sure the right PO account is logged in. So let's say you have it all set up. I have a YouTube API from Google Console, and I have Google Colab open right now. I need a Python script to help me scrape comments from YouTube. Please write this for me. In the beginning, have it ask for the API and YouTube link as inputs separately. And then wait. And then I'll give it my code and see how similar it is. Is this code similar? Okay, I put this into mine because I wanted to sort through based on time and relevance. Nice. Mine's better. But you can have it, you can tell it to like make these changes. I know it's risky using someone else's code online. I didn't write this. GPT wrote it. and it shows you how to use it. It's very simple. Yeah, they call me Cody for a reason. I don't code. I get my little army of bots to do it for me, just so I get my army of bots to write copy for me. The expert bots. Um, Here's another like gold nugget. Uh, a bot setup is you can do clinical research with consensus AI. It's huge. It helps so much. I'll make a video on that probably too. I don't know. And you train it on clinical research and voice the customer, and then you can ask it whatever you want about your market, and it's like a little researcher guy that you can ask questions from. And then the writer bots, you can make little writer bots, so you become a team of as many writers as you want, because each little writer is going to be like a junior copywriter. But the only thing is that you have to like prompt it to get copy, but it's like really fast. Like if you're working with a junior copywriter, um, you would probably have to ask them for something. You make a briefing, send it to them, and they send it. You go back and forth. But if you got a bot like this, then you don't have to. You can become a team of like 10 people, because the time it takes to prompt each one probably is a lot less than the time it takes to send a briefing to a junior copywriter and um, answer any questions, go back and forth, wait for it. You just prompt it with the data you need or the info you have, and then it writes it, and then your copy chief, so you chief it, and then um, yeah, it's a very powerful system. So I hope you like this, and I'll see you in the next one probably. Bye.